Do you know what time it is? It's time to go to Supreme Trader. So here what? Let's go. What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, you know exactly what you need to do. You need to subscribe, you need to like this video, you need to share, and you also need to leave your comment down below. So guys, we'll be giving us something different today, and if you guys like this video, you can just give us your opinion in the comment section and just to let us know if you like these contents that we produce. So today we're at Supreme Traders. It's their grand opening, and this is a brand new furniture and I would say a mini appliance as well as an eyewear store right here in Portmore, St. Catharines. As you would have seen, there are a lot of developments going on in and around Portmore right now. So pretty much if you don't get the furnitures yet, this is the place for you to stop and to grab something. So what is in store today? They have sectionals, they have recliners, they have leather, they have a sofa bed, they have a 5-piece bedroom set. And where do you go in these days to get a 5-piece bedroom set for $239,999 plus tax? I was actually waiting for you to answer, but I'll be waiting for a very long time for you to tell me where you can get a queen or a king bed, a dresser, and 2 nightstands, and the dresser comes with a mirror. Alright, so I'm going to be giving you guys a quick little video of the inside and what is going on, the contents that they have inside here. In an exclusive video, I'll give you separate bits and pieces where I'll just pick out a few of these furnitures and let you guys see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. But just to give you a quick rundown, the place is located here on Elsha Road in Portmore. You cannot miss it. I've given you guys driving directions from ChriSamz, so I use it as a landmark for you guys today, so you can find this building pretty easily and just come on in. There are a lot of stuff in store and you will not be disappointed. So ChriSamz telling you, buy a house at Phoenix, you buy a house at Oak Estate, you buy a house at Portridge, the furnitures are here for you to furnish your brand new development. So here we're going to jump right into the video and show you guys some of what is in store today. And remember that you can come and check them out for yourselves. If you want prices, you know what you must do? Leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be back here to give you guys details on these different pieces of furnitures. If you want a sofa bed, they have it. If you want L sectional, they have it. If you want a queen bed, a king bed, you want dresser, you want chest of drawer, it is right here at Supreme Trader. So here what? Take a look for yourself and tell me what you think below. guys, so that's just a quick view of exactly what I was explaining to you. I hope you guys enjoy that. As a matter of fact, I'm sitting in a sectional sofa right now. Can you guess the price of the sofa? You want me to tell you or want me to show you? You know what? Watch this. So it's $160,000 plus tax. Just to show you a bit of what I've been saying. So guys, if you want more contents like this, remember to leave your requests in the comment section down below. We'll definitely be giving you guys more of these videos. If there's something specific that you want to see, we can try going to lighting, we can try going to appliances, but if you don't say it, then I won't know. So here what, bless up on yourself, keep safe. Remember, we're approaching the Christmas season. If you want to fix up a place, by all means go ahead and do that. But guys, thank you so much for making it ChriSamz. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Remember to like this video, leave your comments, and remember to just share it. Don't be selfish with the information. I'll never charge you to post a video, so don't be selfish to share it. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in another one, and it's peace out from ChriSamz.